Measurement of wall thickness is a critical concern in the industrial production of bottles, preforms, containers, tubes, and a variety of other hollow parts. Portable wall thickness gauges made by Electrophysique Germany will provide precise and reliable measurement results. SIDSP technology, developed by Electrophysique, provides measurements with high precision and reproducibility, helping to optimize production processes and ensure quality specifications. Minitest FH wall thickness gauges are used in aircraft construction, automotive, medical technology, and many other industries. Measurements are made using a steel ball as reference. The sensor of the Minitest FH generates a magnetic field and detects the wall thickness between the reference ball and the sensor tip as a change in this magnetic field. The Minitest FH uses SIDSP technology, which in contrast to other measuring devices allows for all measuring signals to be generated in the sensor and transmitted to the gauge as a processed measuring value. The Minitest FH features IP65 protection and a user-friendly full-color display. Various sensors are available for measuring a wide range of measurement tasks, including difficult-to-access areas, measurements on abrasive surfaces, or measurements on turbine parts. Minitest FH offers various interfaces for integration into a CAQ system. The data can be transferred via USB, RS-232C, or Bluetooth.